Guys, nandito na naman tayo and meron tayong panibagong budget series na i-review. So hawak natin dito ngayon ay ang Tecno Spark 6 Air. Ang daming series nito Spark 6, no? May Spark 6, Spark 6 Go, ngayon may Spark 6 Air. So tara, i-unbox muna natin tong bagong Tecno Spark 6 Air. So guys, nandito sa harap natin ang Tecno Spark 6 Air. So, very colorful ang box niya, no? So, kita natin blue and yellow, perfect combination. So, ito ang mga quick specs niya, no? So, 7-inch ang kanyang screen size, 6,000 mAh ang kanyang battery, 13 MP ang kanyang rear camera, may AI selfie dual flash pa siya, and of course, 4G LTE. So, logo ng Tecno, and 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage, and it comes with a blue shield quality. So, buksan muna natin ang box. Natin kung ano meron dito sa loob ng Tecno Spark 6 Air. So, kita natin, press ko pang unit, no? So, i-pilas muna natin. Tignan natin. So, yeah. There. This is the Tecno Spark 6 Air. So, kita natin, Tecno Spark is here. Logo na, kanyang fingerprint scanner, kanyang camera module. Sa taas, wala tayong makita malinis. Kanyang front-facing camera. And of course, ang kanyang SIM tray. Sa ilalim ang kanyang microphone, micro USB cable slot. And of course, ang kanyang 3.5mm audio jack. Of course, aside, hindi natin makakalimutan ang kanyang power button. And of course, dalawang volume rocker. So, natin kung ano pa meron dito sa loob ng box. And sa loob ng sleeve na ito, makita natin meron siyang 12 plus 1 So sa loob makita natin meron siya isang label na 12 plus 1 months of warranty. Ang kanyang warranty card. And of course, ang kanyang jelly case, which is not bad. Definitely, ang kanyang SIM ejector pin. And of course, ano mong gagawin natin dito kundi sundutin ito para makita natin kung ano meron. Ayun, tumalsik. So, kita natin guys na it's a dual nano SIM plus isang micro SD expansion, which is very, very good and very, very accommodating. No? So, sa para mga gusto makasulit na ito, dalawang SIM card plus kanyang micro SD expansion. So, meron siya kasamang headset na libre. Yan. Very nice, no? Madalang ng mga company na nagbibigay ng mga free headsets, no? So, isa si Tecno sa kanila na makakatanggap ka ng free headsets. And of course, ang kanyang 10 watts charger. Pretty small. Kaya natin kung ano pa meron dito. And last is, of course, ang kanyang charging cable. So, yan. So, kita natin everything that's inside the box of the Tecno Spark 6 Air. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond and welcome back to my channel. Hawak na natin dito right now is the Tecno Spark 6 Air. Makita natin, no, malaki ang kanyang phone. Medyo mahaba, matangkad, and definitely it's made out of plastic yung kanyang likod. So first things first, masasabi ko sa inyo, it's not really that light, no? Medyo may pagka mabigat siya and definitely ang feel niya sa likod is medyo may pagka plasticky ang kanyang feel. Well, definitely kasi plastic nga talagang kanyang likod. And of course, definitely, ang favorite ko dito is ang kanyang super big screen. 7-incher to guys, 720p. And definitely, pag nanonood ka ng mga sine dito, mga YouTube, and mga gaming, no, definitely should be a very, very nice phone to have. Kasi ang laki ng kanyang screen, no. So, bihira pa naman ng mga phone na umabot ng 7-incher. Well, except mga Fold series, no, na umabot ng 8-incher. This one is definitely something to look forward for. Ang kanyang screen size is really, really big. So, tinry natin manood ng ilang mga movies here on YouTube dito sa phone na ito. And masasabi ko sa inyo, I really enjoyed it. No, medyo malaki ang kanyang baba and medyo malaki ang kanyang teardrop notch, no? Hindi naman siya ganun kasagabal. Pero overall, ang viewing experience dito naman is pretty, pretty nice, no? Kasi ang laki ng kanyang, ang very wide ang yung viewing angle dito sa phone na ito. Na masasabi ko sa inyo, indoors ang kanyang display is pretty nice. what I like about this one is when you're watching movie dito sa phone na ito is definitely vibrant naman ka ng screen, no? Hindi naman siya mukhang mga chichipi-chipipay na mga screen, no? Na parang pag nanonood ka, parang sabog. Medyo faded ang colors. Ito, okay na okay to. Itong Spark 6 Air. So itong phone na ito, meron siya very, very basic na processor. It's a MediaTek Helio A22. And ang kanyang storage is a 32 gigs of storage and a 3 gigs of memory. Now, ang kanyang read and write speed is at eMMC 5.1, which is okay, not so bad na after all. Now, tinry natin makakuha ng mga kunting rating sa Antutu, no? Nakakuha siya ng 88,000 points. For me, it's quite very, very entry level, no? So, for mga phones na nakakuha ng Antutu below 100,000 points is definitely something medyo mababa, no? Pero for me, ang kanyang multitasking is not so bad. Hindi naman siya nagsislow down yung sobrang gumagapang na, no? Pag marami ka ng apps na binuksan, okay pa siya. Kasi it's only running on Android 10 Go, which is a very, very light version ng Android 10. Then, checking ang kanyang i22 score, medyo mababa lang din, no? 30,000 points. So, most likely, after getting this 3D Mark test, no? 379 points sa Slingshot Extreme. So, masasabi ko sa inyo, guys, definitely, hindi ito gaming phone. So, one thing that I like dito sa phone na ito, no, is 6,000 mAh ang kanyang battery, which is for me very, very makunat, no? Grabe. Ang laki ng kanyang battery, no? Which can charge up to 18 watts. Pero ang supply ng charger, definitely out of the box, is just a 10 watts charger. You can upgrade it. Bili lang kayo ng higher na charging, wall charger. And guess what? Tinry natin to, no? And nilagay natin tong phone na ito sa battery stress test ni PC Mark. And guess what? Nakuha na natin kulang-kulang 19 hours, no? 18 hours and 52 minutes ang kanyang screen on time. For me, very, very nice. Makunat na makunat tong battery nito. It can last you more than a day. Siguro, if medyo matipid ka gumamit, kaya pa niya mag-last up to 2 days. So, based on my experience dito sa phone nito, no, ginamit ko siya roughly for mga social media, watching YouTube. Hindi na ako nag-gaming kasi alam ko naman hindi siya game-centric phone. Basic games siguro pwede pa. And then naglaro naman mga regular phone calls, text messaging, roughly more than a day and a half, no? So, pwede ko naman sabi sa'yo, kung nag-start ako today na mga 8 o'clock, the next day na mga roughly 3 p.m. bago ako nag-charge, no? So, it's more than roughly 1 day and... So, it's roughly 1 day and 60 to 70% of the day. So, not really that bad, no? So, if you're, medyo patambay-tambay lang phone yun, medyo idle lang, so I guess 2 to 3 days, kayang-kaya nito. So, ginawa din natin siya ng charging test, no? Dinain natin ang kanyang battery down to 14%. Then, of course, chinarge natin pabalik ng 100 using the default cable but a different charger, 18 watts na charger, no? So, umabot siya roughly mga 17 watts. Okay, not bad. And guess what? Umabot siya ng roughly 3 hours and 30 minutes para mapuno ang kanyang 6,000 mAh na battery, which is for me, not so bad na. 18 watts na eh. So, itong phone na ito, meron siyang triple camera setup, no? So, it starts with the 13MP aperture 1.8 na main shooter, 2MP na depth sensor, and ang kanyang third eye is the QVGA sensor. Then, up front, meron siyang 8MP na front camera, which is okay. Very, very basic ang kanyang camera, no? So, tara, silipin lang natin ilang mga shots na nakuha ko dito sa phone na ito. So, nakita natin ilang shots, no, indoor and outdoor. Masasabi ko sa inyo, it's very, very basic lang, no. Masasabi ko sa inyo, it's just yung pwede na pang-submit or pang-post ng ilang photos sa Facebook. Pero gusto nyo lumaban ng mga pagandahan ng photos. Yung food is looking very delicious. I can say that itong phone na ito won't really take you that yung astig na mga photos, no. It really lacks a lot of features dito sa camera niya, no? So, definitely, when you're going for yung mga mas higher level of photography, hindi ko talaga marirecommend tong phone na ito. So, tinry din natin kumuha ng ilan mga videos using this phone under sa mga low light situation, no? So, medyo nahirapan ng kanyang camera to pick up, no, yung mga lightings, no? So, hindi niya kaya i-enhance ang lighting, both the front and the rear camera pagdating sa taking some videos, no, dito sa phone na ito. But, of course, when I'm using this phone for Zoom classes, well, okay. Walang problema. Of course, syempre, nasa loob tayo ng kwarto, may ilaw. As long as medyo magandang lighting natin, no, it can give you some good videos on this phone on Zoom. So, itong phone na ito comes in 3 colors. Meron siyang comet black, ocean blue, itong hawak ko, and of course, ang cloud white. So, guys, ano tingin na dito sa phone na ito? It's a very basic, very entry-level na phone. Pero when it comes to performance, okay lang naman ang multitasking. Ano? But when you're trying to play some games dito, trying to get some better camera shots, medyo doon ka medyo mahihirapan kasi medyo talagang pang entry level lang siya, no? So if you want to know the price of this phone, I'll just post the link below on my description box kung saan mabibili ito. And of course, definitely ka ng updated price kasi paiba-iba naman ang presyo na every promotion, no? Sa Shopee and sa Lazada. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos here sa aking channel. So sana makita-kita ulit tayo sa aking susunod na video. Paalam!